So, if you want to fix the orange light on a TP-Link router, well, there are a few things that you may want to do here. So, first is you want to start with the simplest fix. Unplug your router for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. An orange light usually means it can't reach the internet, and a quick reboot clears a lot of these connection hiccups. And if that doesn't work, well, the router may be fine. Now, it might not just be getting internet from your modem or ONT. Now, look at the modem's light. If it isn't showing a solid normal internet light here, now fix the modem first by rebooting it and see if that actually works. Now, also, you want to make sure the cables are in the right ports. So, the Ethernet cable from the modem should be plugged into the one port, usually blue, on your TP-Link router. Now, if your one port if it's a LAN port by mistake, the router will show an orange or no internet light. And also, sometimes the router is connected, but the internet provider hasn't given it an IP address yet. So you want to log into the TP-Link web panel, usually 192.168.0.1 or TP-Link Wi-Fi.net, and go to network, then WAN or WAN, and check if it shows an IP. So if there's no IP, then you'll get an orange light here. And also, some ISPs only allow internet for the first device you connected, so often your computer. Now, if that's the case, in the TP-Link admin page, you want to go to Advanced, go to Network, go to Internet, then choose Mac Clone. And just choose the Clone My PC's Mac. And this often makes the orange light switch to blue or green. Now, if nothing is working, hold the reset button on the back for about 10 seconds until the lights flash. Now, this restores factory settings, and many orange light issues start working once the router is clean again. Now, if your modem isn't giving you router internet, well, or your line is down, well, the router's light will stay orange no matter what you do. So this is when calling your provider is the fastest fix. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.